In this video, I will teach you how to create multiple Facebook ad accounts. You might have seen some people who have up to 5 Facebook ad accounts using the same Facebook profile, and you have been wondering how were they able to create it. Now, in some cases, Facebook may restrict one of your ad accounts or disable one of or two of your ad accounts. I don't know how to create more. In this very video, I will show you how to create another Facebook ad account. You can use this method to create up to 5 Facebook ad accounts. So do well to watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any important step.
Log in your Facebook account on any browser on your laptop. Right here, you will see more. Click on this see more. There's a drop down button there, and you will see the ads manager right here. Click on ads manager. The ads manager dashboard will open up like this. You will see all the tools on the left hand side here. Click on all tools. All the tools will open up like this. Go ahead and click on business settings. I will click on business settings now. It will take you to your business manager. This is where you see all the business portfolio you have. In my own case, I have 3 business portfolio here, and you will see that on this particular business portfolio, I have 3 ad accounts, 2 pages, and 3 people managing this. I have 1 ad account here, 1 page, and 2 people managing this. On this one, I have no ad account. I've not created any ad account here. I have 1 page and 2 people managing this particular one. Okay. Now, if you don't have any business portfolio, this is where you can create your business portfolio. There's a create button here. Just click on this create button to create your business portfolio, right? For the purpose of this video, let's focus on how you can create multiple ad accounts. Remember, the first ad account you will ever have is the personal ad account. That's the one that was auto-generated by Facebook the moment you created a Facebook page. Okay, so in this video, I will show you how to create another ad account, which is called a business ad account. Now you see that I already have 3 ad accounts here, 1 here, and I can see create another one, create business portfolio, and see create more. That is how you to create multiple Facebook ad accounts. Okay, take note, these ones I did not create any of them. They were created by Facebook. Okay, so for some person's business manager, you will see some that are already created like mine. So all you need to do is just to create an ad account. Like this particular one, you will see 0 ad accounts here. So if I want to create another ad account here, I don't need to create a business portfolio again. I will just start with this one to create an ad account inside here. So if you see yours like this, then just select one. I'll click on this one now to create an ad account. You'll be directed to this interface like this. At the left hand side here, you will see accounts. Then under accounts, you will see pages and add accounts. Our focus is on creating ad accounts. So tap on add accounts. Right here, you will see that this business portfolio does not have any ad accounts. That's why you will see no ad accounts added. Add an ad account to this business portfolio so that you can manage all your business in one place. Okay, so you will see the add button down here. Click on add. You will see this pop up. Create a new ad account, claim an existing ad account, request to share an ad account. We want to create a new one, so click on this button, create a new ad account. You will see this pop up like this, add account name. So let's give it an ad account name. So I'll call it Popcar ad account. Then the next thing is the time zone. There's a drop down button here. Tap on the drop down button, then search for Lagos. That's if you're in Nigeria. If you are not in Nigeria, please look for your time zone. For Nigeria, search for Lagos, and you will see Africa/Lagos GMT+1. That is our time zone. The next thing is currency. Because you're in Nigeria, go ahead and select the Nigerian naira. Okay, if you are not in Nigeria, please look for your currency. Okay, right here is Nigerian naira. Select Nigerian naira. Down below, you will see the next button here. Click on next. The next thing they will ask you is what the ad account will be used for. Check my business here, and down below you will see this next button. Click on next. Check this box, I agree to Meta terms of service and advertising policies. After checking this box here, you will see this create ad account button below. Click on create ad account.
I hope you are getting value. Before I continue, go ahead and like this video. Just click on the like button below. Have you done that now? All right, let's continue.
Now they will ask you here if you want to add payment info. I would like to do that later. Down below you will see the done button. Click on done, and right here your ad account has been created. Now that you have finished creating your ad account, you need to set up your ad account so that you can use it to run ad. Before I continue to show you the ad account setup process, do well to like this video. Just click on the like button below and drop an encouraging comment. Have you done that now? All right, let's continue. At the left hand side here, you will see advert manager. Click on advert manager. If you do not see Advert Manager on your own, just click on that menu bar, this all tools, and you'll be able to locate Ads Manager. It will take you directly to the new ad account you just created. This is the first information you will see here. Additional information: does your business seek digitals? In your own case, they are going to mention the name of your business portfolio, focus on politics or advocating for issues on national importance. This. Mine is not on national issues. Okay, so I'll select no. I'll click on no there. Scroll down. They are going to ask you to add payment method. You will see this add payment method button here. Click on it, and this pop-up information will come up. Add payment information. Select your country here. In my own case, I'm in Nigeria, so I will select Nigeria. The currency is in Nigerian naira. The time zone is in Lagos, Africa. Okay, GMT +1. So this is already set for Nigeria. If you're not in Nigeria, please go ahead and select your country, select your currency, and select your time zone. Okay, then click on this next button below here. We want to add payment information. This first one, debit or credit card, is for postpaid payment method. I would prefer to use prepaid because my Naira card cannot pay for this. So I will select Naira payment with MasterCard/Visa, this one that has pay you by the side. So I'll click on this one. Okay, when you want to pay money, you can use bank transfer method, but let's just set it to prepaid. Okay, then down below you will see the next button. Click on next. The next information you will see is your tax information. You can skip this. Click on the skip button below. Then you will see add funds. Here you can edit the amount you want to add, but this time we are not adding fund. We just want to set our payment method to prepaid. So just click on next. Then click on open Naira payment with MasterCard/Visa. It will take you here. Click on this continue button. Then if you want to fund, this is where you enter your card details to fund, but I don't want to fund. I just want to set the payment method. So you can close. Click on this close button. Close this one too. Then go ahead and refresh this page. Click on this refresh icon to refresh this page, and your payment method will be updated. Now you are done adding your payment method. Hover your mouse on this left hand side and you will see account overview. Click on account overview. Right here they will ask you to confirm your page. So you will see one of your pages here. In case there is none of your page existing, you can add your page. Okay, but you will mostly see one of your pages here. Just click on this confirm button here to confirm your page. After confirming your page, if your email address has been verified, they will not ask for this again. But if it has not been verified, they will ask you to go to business settings to verify your email. So I will click on go to business settings. This is business settings. Scroll down to the last. That is where you will see email address. So there is an edit button right here. Click on this edit button, enter your email address, confirm the same email address here, then click on save. Then click on this confirm button. When you click on save, Facebook is going to send an email to the email address you provided. So go to your email address, just open a new tab, go to your email address to confirm that email. This is my email. The place you'll find that particular email is under social. Okay, so click on social folder, and right here you will see the email from Facebook. Confirm your business email address. So open that particular email and you will see the content here. Click on the confirm now button to confirm, and you see that email address has been confirmed. After confirming your email, we need to go and verify our phone number. So hover your mouse on this left hand side and you will see Advert Manager. Click on Advert Manager. Hover your mouse on this left hand side, the tools bar will come out. Click on Account Overview. That is where you can verify your phone number. This pop-up will come out like this. Now click on Add Phone Number. Click here to select your country code. Scroll down and select your own country code. Then enter your phone number here. You can select your preferred language here. I prefer the English UK. After that, click on this next button. They will ask you to confirm your phone number. The best method I see that they send that confirmation code faster is via WhatsApp message. So I will select WhatsApp message. Then down below here, you will see the next button. Click on next. Go ahead and click on text me now. Go to your WhatsApp, copy the 6-digit code and paste it here. I've inputted my own confirmation code. Then click on this submit button below. You can see your phone number has been confirmed. Click on done. Now you will see that I have confirmed and verified all the necessary information here. Hover your mouse on this left hand side and all the tools will come out. Click on campaigns and let's see if our ad account is ready to run ads. To test it, click on this create button, this green create button, and you will see if the ad account is ready or not. It's loading creation. Okay, now you can run ad. You can go ahead to select the ad objective and set up your ad. If you don't know how to run ad, I've created another step-by-step video on how to run Facebook ads. The link will be at the description of this video.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and drop a comment below.